Welcome back again, my YouTubers and Facebook followers. Right now, I'm about to share with you very important tips. So here, I want to show you today how you can be able to delete a video which you do not need from your Facebook. Okay, so what I want you to do right now is simply access your Meta Business Suite, which they call Facebook Studio. So what you are going to do when you are here, all you gotta do that you go to content. We have a content right here. You can see that content. Just click the content. You are going to see all the information, posts, videos, or whatever link that you put in there on your Facebook page. It will appear right here. So I wanted to do something here. What you gotta do, there is a place where you can be able to filter what you are looking for. Let's say, is it a text that you need to delete, or a video, okay, or a live video? It depends on what you are looking for. So right here we have post tab. If you click this thing here, we have photos, we have video, we have text, we have links. So all you gotta do is that just simply click one of these. Let me simply say that I have a video that I want to delete. So all I gotta do is that I'm going to tick videos, so that the Facebook Meta Business Suite will only call upon the video alone. No text, no photo will be shown on this face right here. So after we complete, we have to wait for them to show us. As long as you have good internet, you're going to be able to see them, right? Okay, here we are. So these are my videos. There's no text there. Okay, okay, I think, wait, oh sorry, I did not select that. I've seen text there, so let me simply tick that. Okay, I tick it, and then okay, nah, okay, let's wait. So I tick it. So all I gotta do is simply wait for them to show. Yeah, of course, there we are. We have this let me simply pull these things away right here. Okay, we have all these video which are mine. So if one of the video right here, if I don't need it, all I gotta do is simply delete it. Okay, so because I want to make sure that my Facebook page is clean, you go direct into content, and then you go to the video that you are looking for. Let me scroll down there in case I have a video that I do not need. Let's say you violated the rule, or you upload a video which you think that is bad, or already Facebook has warned you that this you have uploaded a video or a text which is not good for their rules. So all you gotta do is that you just go direct into Meta Business Suite and go to content, and then click content, and then from here you can simply select or filter what you want to delete from the system. Let me do it with the text. Now I already click text. All I gotta do is that I have to wait for them to show up right here, and we are going to see a great number of posts which are text, like articles, to show up. So let me wait. Yep, right there we have all these things. Okay, so if I have violated any rule from there, I can be able to delete it. Okay, so you can delete it, and there you can make your channel healthy without having any policy violation. So up to here, this is what I want to show you, where you can find your videos, your tags, your links, or live video or reels. If you have a reel that you already upload from to your Facebook, all you gotta do is just go to Meta Business Suite, which is Facebook Studio, and go direct into this list right here and select the one that you want, and then delete them if you want. Or simply, if you want to see the inside, let's say it, how many people watch your videos, how many views do you have, just go direct into Meta Business Suite and goes direct into something called Insight. We have Insight right here, this one, next to content. So I can simply click that, and we are going to see how many viewers do I have. Let's say it said here your last week in review. Okay, okay, take a moment to review activity and insight from my channel from 8 October up to 14 October. Okay, which means that there has to be like is it 6 day? Okay, after 6 day, we mean that 1 week. They say you published 592 pieces of content this past week, in the past week. Okay, 592, which I already uploaded. Okay, and then here we are going to have this. It said 485 Facebook posts, okay, and then one Facebook story, and again Instagram post 103, and Instagram story only 3. It means that these are the things that I already did in the past week, this week I mean. So it means that I have to work in order for me to get a good insight, okay? So in order for me to reach out to more audience. It told me right here, your goal, set your business goal, track progress, and find tips on how to achieve them. Get started. Let's say I can even click this one and set some goal, but I don't want to do that right now. So the next move is simply your result. I have got to see the result. Total last week 18.7k. all right, see your Facebook page reach and Instagram reach from last week 18.7k on Facebook page, the people that are rich, and total last week 794 Instagram reach, the account that I reach. We mean that I have a long way to go. So this is where you can see the insight, what your Facebook page is doing, what impact are you making within the community. So up there, you have any question, please drop it down there, and if you like the video, please share it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.